Wit videos. Wit videos.
A microwave oven uses microwave radiation to heat food. This is different from traditional heat, which requires a medium, air, water, or oil, to transfer the heat generated from one place to another. Microwaved foods cook more quickly and evenly than conventional cooking methods because thicker foods that would take longer to cook when cooked on a stovetop or in an oven are heated from the inside out. The microwave oven is an affordable, versatile kitchen appliance that uses microwave radiation to heat or cook food. A built-in sensor activates the heating process when food is placed inside and then turns off when the food cooks to perfection. Cook food quickly, efficiently, and without adding fat or oil. Place food directly on a microwave-safe plate and cover it with a lid or plastic wrap. The non-stick interior makes it easy to clean up any mess. Nice compact size fits well in most kitchens. Thank you for watching Wit videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.